Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm gonna show you a super easy glittery wing liner makeup look, which is super easy. I also didn't use any fake lashes, so it's also kind of like a soft version that you can all try to recreate at home. So the first thing I'm gonna do is prime the eyelids. I'm using the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. And after priming the eyelids, I'm going to take the Maybelline Studio Gel Eyeliner and I'm going to use this to create my wing liner. I also filmed a video showing how to make your eyeliner look even on both sides. If you haven't seen that one yet, I will link it down in the description bar. Maybe it will be helpful if you're struggling with getting both eyes to look equal. So I will make sure to link that in the description bar. First, I created a line going from the outer part of my lash line towards the brow. And then I went in with some eyeliner and created a line above the lash line. So now for the next step, I'm gonna kind of trying to connect the line that I created with the eyeliner above the lash line, so that will create that wing liner. Now that I'm done with creating the shape of my wing liner, it's time to fill it in. You could use the same product. I'm using the gel eyeliner. If you want to use a different eyeliner product, you could do that as well. But I really like this gel eyeliner by Maybelline, so I'm just using the same product. Then now for the next step, I'm going to take a bronzy shimmery eyeshadow. You can use any eyeshadow that you have at home. This one is by Bobbi Brown, but you can use any shade that you like. You could also go in with a silver shade, a blue shade. As long as it's shimmery, you're good to go. Today I'm going for kind of like a golden sparkly look, so that's why I went in with a similar eyeshadow. If you want to use a blue glitter, you could use a blue metallic shade underneath. If you go for a silver sparkle, you can go for a silver shade underneath. Kind of this shimmery eyeshadow is going to make sure that the glitters fade really nicely into it. So this is the glitter I'm going to use. It's by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm also using their glitter adhesive to make sure that the glitters will stick on the eyelids. So I'm going to take the applicator of the product itself and kind of make dots on all the places where I want the glitter to be. And then I will use a cotton underneath my... Not a cotton, a tissue underneath my eyes to make sure that the glitter is not gonna fall onto my face. And then stick my brush into the glitter and kind of press it on top of where I applied the glitter adhesive. So you can see the glitter fades really nicely into the eyeshadow underneath. That's something I really like. Whenever I use glitter, I like to use a metallic eyeshadow underneath. It just looks so much better in comparison if you would use a matte shade underneath glitter. It looks more... I don't know, it just doesn't really melt nicely together. So now it's time for mascara. First, I curled my lashes, and the mascara I went in with is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, which is my current favorite drugstore mascara. So I'm using this for the upper lashes and the lower lashes. Today, I'm not going in with any fake lashes to keep the eye look a little bit more soft and easy to recreate. But of course, if you are recreating this makeup look and you want to add some false lashes, of course, you're good to go. You can give your whole own twist to this makeup look. And I think with fake lashes, it's gonna look even more beautiful. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoyed. Let me know if you're gonna try it out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. That's really helpful for my YouTube channel. And hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye!
How long has it been since I kissed you?